I'm Tony and I'm a Transwave ambassador. On the day I was born, the doctor told my mother it's a girl. I was brought up as a girl because of what society think. But the truth is, I never felt like a girl. I got depressed and was even suicidal because my brain and my body wasn't going in the same direction. I had to do therapy and I was placed on medication for depression. Growing up in a country where I'm forced to be someone I'm not also contributed to my depression. Being transgender wasn't my choice. I was born this way. Why would I choose to live a life of constant pain, taking the risk of losing my loved ones, and also being discriminated against? What I wish for Jamaica is for persons to be willing to learn the difference between sex and gender, because these are two different things. I also wish for Jamaica to be a place where I can be myself without discrimination, because after all, Jamaica is my home. I am Jamaican, we are Jamaicans.
But tonight we're gonna be alright.